Isang pribilehiyo na maibahagi ang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa ating mga ama sa walang sawa nilang suporta, sakripisyo, at pagpapagal upang mabigyan ng maganda at maginhawang buhay ang kanilang mga pamilya. Iba't iba man ang inyong mga katangian, hangad ninyong lahat ang isang magandang kinabukasan para sa inyong mga minamahal. Sa pagkakataong ito, ay nais ko namang pasalamatan ang Ama Kisig, Ama Sigasig, Ama Tapang, at Ama Tatas na ama sa aking paningin. Walang iba kundi ang aming tatay na kung aming tawagin ay Papa. Makasamsangin mo, isang mga makasamsangin. Si Pastor Villamor Ordonez Comilang Jr., a.k.a. Pastor V. Pa, I may not be an expressive and a sweet daughter that tells you every day, I love you. Always remember that I am forever grateful to our Heavenly Father, for He has gifted us with my siblings with a Father that inspires and encourages us to serve the Lord through all of life's circumstances. Indeed, you are a living testimony of God's faithfulness and favor to our family. A reminder that we are living in the goodness of God. And I'm always praying and pleading to God to give you a longer life. With human understanding, it may be impossible. But nothing is too hard for the Lord. What the devil meant to harm you, to hurt you, to discourage you, God turned it for good. God moves miraculously day by day. Not only is God working in your life, working in you, but through you, He is working in me as well, and perhaps to all of us. Your diligence in serving the Lord and your fervent prayers give me courage and keep me standing still in the midst of chaos. The extraordinary assignment you received made an extraordinary impact to all of us. God's amazing grace used your sickness as His instrument in healing and in restoring His children. I am very blessed to witness how you never stop fighting for your love and faith in God. I salute